welcome back. Hey, welcome back, family. Hey, and if you're new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel, we review fragrances and body care, and we sip a little tea from here and there. Your sis may go left, but that's okay. Just subscribe, give me the thumbs up, comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, I hope you all are doing well. Hey, new family, I see y'all coming in. I hope you all are doing really well. Well, let's get right into it. This is going to be a easy breezy, simple video. Yeah, we'll just get on with it. So I was in Target minding my own business, and we'll put the video of Native somewhere on the screen. But if you have caught my Native video, I have given you all my thoughts on the new body washes that they have at Native. Okay, I'm a big fan of Native, the brand. I love their body washes, especially someone like me who has sensitive skin. I love this brand. Okay, so I went over all of the things and my thoughts on which ones I think that are really interesting. Okay, well, I was in Target. Okay, mind my own business, ain't bothering nobody. Okay, but then something came and tapped on my shoulder. Okay, and it was, hello, Native Holiday Gumdrop. I said, now listen. I was like, where did she come from? All right. So I was able to test and try this. So just quickly wanted to come on and let you all know my thoughts on the new Holiday Gumdrop scent. Okay, let's get into it. So this new Holiday Gumdrop. Now, if you are a citrus lover, okay, please stand up, because this is your fall citrus, okay, body wash. Here it is, okay? This is so good. Now, I will say, I did not get the gumdrop scent. Okay, and let's talk about gumdrop real quick. You all know how I am. I'll come back. Now, gumdrops, I want no part of this candy. Like, as far as like an actual gumdrop is what I'm talking about. I could smell like a gumdrop, but eating a gumdrop, who eats gumdrops? Comment down below. I know there are several people that eat gumdrops. It's like a chewy, fake sugar. It gives me fake sugar candy. You know, if you gonna do sugar, don't be fake about it. Like, it gives me very plastic sugar. Give me real sugar. Like the sugar, like almost like what are those, sour straws or Sour Patch straws? Those things that like leave the sugar in the tray. Give me real sugar. Gumdrops gives me fake sugar. If you've seen a gumdrop, now if it's something other than sugar, let me know, because then that will be new to me, but I feel like it's supposed to be sugar. Anyway, those that love gumdrops, no shade, I love it for you, okay? Love it for you, and they're at the store, available all day, every day for you. But for your sis, you know, I don't want an actual gumdrop. Now we got that out the way. This, I can smell like a gumdrop all day. But I will say, in order for me to smell the gumdrop in this, I had to put my nose to my washcloth. Like, I had to like breathe it in, and then I was like, oh, there's the gumdrop. Like, it was one of those. It wasn't like dynamic on its own. It was just breathe it in, and it was like, there you go. You exist, okay? So I will say, for me and my experience, that's where I got the gumdrop from. But if you are a citrus lover, and when I'm saying citrus, I'm saying like tangerine. I'm saying like orange. I know the word. You all know I make up some words. Like other people I know. like Flint. But this is very citrusy, okay? Now, out of the bottle, when you smell it, you're going to be like, oh, I get the gumdrop. I get it. When you put it in your washcloth or whatever you lather with, to me, it went missing. It went very orange tangerine citrus, okay? It gave me very clementine, okay? Now, again, when I put my nose in it, then I was like, oh, here's the gumdrop, all right? So the conclusion and the moral of the story is, do I like this? I love this, okay? This is very fruity. It's different, you know? I don't know if it gives me holiday, because I don't know where they were going with the holiday. It doesn't really give me holiday, but it definitely gives me a fun, fruity, you know, fragrance for the fall, winter season. Would it be a repurchase for me? I'm not mad at it. Possibly. Okay. Possibly a repurchase. Like, I wouldn't be running to get this. Okay. But would I, like, if it was the last thing on the shelf, or if I was choosing from the Autumn Air and Amber fragrance comparison to this, oh, it's this all day. Like, if that was the only thing on the shelf, holiday gumdrop, here we come. But she don't touch that apple butter strudel thing. Nah, she don't touch that. Nor the toasted vanilla. I'm choosing those two over this. Okay, so I would say, you know, the apple, there's like a honey crisp apple one. I would choose this over the apple one. So I will say, so this would be like my third, and then the apple, and then the Autumn Air. AKA Lee's from Bath and Body Works. You know, then I would choose that fragrance. But I wanted to say, they also have Candy Cane, which is limited edition. So they brought that back. They brought back the fresh mistletoe. I want no parts of the mistletoe. The theme of the mistletoe and kissing the loved ones, cool. That scent gives me trees and pine, and you all can have the fresh mistletoe. But if you like a good pine, like the fresh tree, like the actual Christmas tree, you know, you don't do the fake Christmas tree. You like the real Christmas tree on your body. You like to smell real Christmas tree on your body? Get the fresh mistletoe. Sis, like, hook yourself up. Pine all day, okay? Pine all day for you. Miss me with that one. And then they also have, like, of course, like the sugar cookie that they always bring back for the holiday. So you have some things, right? We got some things to work with. Now, I will say, again, coming back to this, I'm not dissing it. It's cool. Third on my list, okay? Running out and getting a second, you know, third, fourth one, no, right? I'm getting apple butter strudel. I already said that. Well, that's all, family, for my full thoughts of the holiday gumdrop, okay? Have you tried any of the native body washes? What are your thoughts? I would love to know. These are just, again, my quick experience and thoughts. I know you have your own thoughts, and if you want to share it with the family, we would love to hear it. Put it in the comment section, okay? Make sure you subscribe. Give me the thumbs up. Comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, make sure you're good to yourself. Give yourself some grace. And if no one has told you that you are more than enough, yeah, your sis just did. Bye, family. I love you so much. Bye.